Hello YouTube. In this video what we're going to do is we're going to announce a very exciting thing, and that is my command line series that is coming up. The command line series, or CLI, is going to be broken into 4 different playlists, which is CLI Basics, CLI Advanced, CLI for Fun, and CLI Scripting. The Basics is actually going to be first, and what it does is it is highly recommended for any new Linux user and any Windows expat looking to come to Linux to familiarize yourself with the very basics of the command line. And it doesn't dive too deep into any subject. It does get you, however, familiar with the command line and some of the things that you can learn and do on the command line, such as gather system information, manipulation of files and folders, and installing and removing packages. From there, the highly optional CLI Advanced, which will go further into detail, talk about other things such as redirection, piping, and then that sort of thing, as far as some of the advanced things you can do, like with, say, awk and grep and that sort of thing, to where you become more of a power user. The CLI for Fun is exactly that. We will cover some commands that you can do on the command line to just be playful and have some fun, whether it's in colorization or some little Easter eggs that are available on Linux. And then finally, CLI Scripting, which we go through and basically teach you how to script using bash script. And with scripting, that's going to be a little playful. It's also going to be a little serious, and we're not going to dive into every single thing you can do with scripting. Scripting, or coding in general, is a lot like art. You start with a blank canvas and you can create anything with inside the technological limitations of the tools. So we're not going to cover absolutely everything, but we will cover the absolute basics, especially at first, so you will get to where you can figure out what you want to script next. Anyway, I hope this is going to excite you as well as it excites me. Make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell so you're notified when a new video is available, and we will see you then.